Hey everybody, Michelle here at the Rogue Valley YMCA. Got another workout of the day for you. The only equipment we need is a pot. Hopefully you guys have one, or your Instant Pot liner, or a jug of water, something that has a little bit of weight to it. I'm preferring handles, but it doesn't necessarily need it. And if you're ready, let's get warmed up. We're gonna start with a march or a jog. You know the drill, if you're following these. 30 seconds a piece, 4 exercises 2 times through. So you can start with your march, you can jog. I have 4 blocks of work today. The first 3 have 2 exercises. We're gonna do each one for a minute, and we're gonna go through each one 3 times. And then the 4th block is 4 exercises 2 times through. It's gonna be a good time. All right, we're gonna do a back lunge. Our arms are gonna be overhead, and we're gonna take it into a soldier kick. Let's just stay on one side. I'm lunging and kicking with my right. We'll get the other side, our second round. Good job. You don't have to get super low. We're still getting warmed up. I just did a little bit of one of Jenny's workouts with her. From 12 feet apart. That's right. Take it to the floor. We're gonna tap, opposite shoulder, turn it to the side, open up that chest, and bring it back and switch. Shoulder tap, twist, reach, set it down. Nice job, you guys. We have 10 seconds here. Really open up that chest on that reach. Stay down, bring right foot forward, stay low, overhead reach, set it down, and switch sides. Ooh, that feels good. Good job, you guys. 15 seconds. I'm setting my hands on the inside of my leg. You do what feels right for you. Come on up, one more time through, march or jog. Let's up the intensity a little bit, let's get a little bit lower. Hopefully we're getting more warm. So I hope everybody has a pot at home. If not, you can improvise. We're gonna do left side, or whatever side you didn't do. Lunge it back to a soldier kick. Reaching with that opposite hand, arms are overhead. Woo. Nice work. I just heard that Colorado is going to be opening up certain businesses in May. Exciting.
Very exciting.
Take it down, last lunge, last kick. Shoulder tap, twist, reach. It's nice and controlled. Nice job, you guys. 15 seconds, we have one more move. I'm getting warm. 5 seconds. Let's take that left foot forward, reach it overhead, set it back down and switch. We're staying low in that lunge. When we take those arms overhead, 10 seconds. If you want to, you can jump switch those feet back. Time. Oh wait, what did I forget? Oh no, that's it. Okay. Good job, everybody. So, we have 2 exercises, a minute each, 3 times through. First exercise, we're gonna step on our pot, so flip it upside down. We're gonna do a high knee to a back lunge. Let's stay on one side for 30 seconds and then switch halfway through. Hopefully camera will tell us. And then we're gonna do pop-overs, but we're gonna kick our butt. So have your feet next to the pot, and we're just gonna jump our feet, trying to kick our butt in the air. That's gonna be a great minute. Ready?
Fun stuff.
So fun stuff. So let's lead with the right. Step it up. If you have a step or a stair, chair, whatever, you could do this on the floor as well. But let's go. 3, 2, 1. Step it up, right foot. If you're feeling courageous, I don't think I am. You could jump at the top.
Careful. And make sure your mat is not on a slippery surface, or your pot.
Totally.
Did you already say that?
No, I did not. Thank you, Jenny Beck.
That could be scary.
All right. Yeah, please do not have it on just a hardwood floor. Let's switch. So step up with the left. I think. Don't try that at home. Do as I say, not as I do. 10 seconds, we get 15 seconds. Transition time for our second exercise. Pop over butt kicks. It's gonna be great.
Just pop on over.
Just pop on over. So your option for a modification, you can be one leg at a time, but let's go. I'll show it from the side. So hopefully your hands are in front of that pot. I'll show it from the side. Can have a little hop in there. Slow things down a little bit. Because guess what, we're halfway. Woo-wee. Whose idea was this? Try and kick that butt in the air. Little handstand action. 15 seconds. Remember, you could do one at a time. 7. Woo-wee. This will get you warm. 30 seconds of rest. Grab a drink.
Sorry, folks.
Good timing.
Yeah.
20 seconds. We have 2 more rounds. We like this first one, don't we? Starting in 7. Let's lead with the left this time, just cause. Are you good?
Yeah.
Step up with the left and take that left leg back into a lunge. If you can, touch that floor while bending that front leg. We're not doing this. One more and we'll switch. Other leg. Anybody at home jumping? I would if I wasn't scared for my life. Good job, you guys. There's always ways to modify or up your intensity. Jumping. Not going so low. 5 seconds. Last one. Okay, my favorite. Pop over butt kicks. Is it better this way or this way?
Probably
I'll take a break
facing
halfway
us.
and switch. Oh, 60 seconds. It's a beautiful thing. Woo. How are we doing at home? We still have 40 seconds. I swear, not tears. We're halfway. You're sideways. Remember, one leg at a time. But we have 15, so let's go for it. Woo!
That looks really fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. 5, go! One more time. Grab a drink. Starting to drip. Hopefully you are too. We have 20 seconds of rest. One more time through with these exercises. And then we're moving on.
Sounds like you're gonna miss them.
No, not this one. Second one. I could do the lunge skip thing all day. You choose which side you lead with in 3. Here we go. If you feel like if you are in a safe zone to add that hop at the top, do it. This is our last time, last chance to do these exercises. Be proud of yourself. I like to say that I at least tried. 5 seconds and we switch. And other leg. My brain isn't working. Crap, I can't remember which leg I was doing. Oh, here we go, okay.
You could alternate. Oh no, you couldn't. That'd be really tricky.
You think I'm confused now? Good job, you guys. We have 7 seconds. Let's get these butt kickers over with. Whew. 10 seconds. Do some self-motivational talk right now. Here we go.
Do it.
Do it. Suck it up, buttercup.
That's right. They should put that on a shirt.
They should. Good job, you guys. We get a rest in 40 seconds. Push yourself. I think this is the worst block. Let's get it over with. 30 seconds. Remember, when you need a little break, just don't stop moving. 20. Woo-wee. Tight core. All the things. 10 seconds. I'm dripping. Woo, 5. Don't worry, we clean the floors after. Time. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Grab a drink. Towel off if you need to. We have 2 new exercises. Oh, great. Okay. Burpees, but only a half. We're gonna jump over our pot, half burpee, jump, oh sorry. You can step if you're not gonna jump, and step your feet back. Jump or step. Move 2 uneven push-ups. I'll be on my knees, but one hand's gonna be on the pot, one hand is gonna be on the floor, and we're just gonna go back and forth. Okay? It's gonna be great.
The push-ups look fun.
Yeah, it's only a minute. Are we ready? Are we rested? Starting with burpees in 3, 2, go. So jump or step over that pot, half burpee. You can add the push-up if you want, but remember we do have some coming up. Remember, we are squatting to get down. Woo, good job, you guys, almost halfway. If you want to make this more intense, you can do a knee tuck. No thanks. 20. Woo, I'm just seeing the sweat fly off of me. It's a pretty scene over here. 10 seconds, you guys, a couple more. One more. Oh yeah. Okay, take it down. Knees or toes, challenge yourself. Don't let your back sag. Nice tight body. Starting in 5. And don't let your elbow flare out. Try and have it about a 45-degree angle. Back and forth. You do not have to jump your hands, but it's kind of fun for 10 seconds. Good job, you guys. We have 35 seconds to go. Squeeze that booty. It's not up in the air. We're not doing this. Okay, tuck it in. Exhale as you push up. Woo-wee. Oh, my pot's all slippery. 15. Where could that be from? 10 seconds. Good job, you guys. We get 30 seconds of rest. I will be toweling off. Last one. Woo. Enjoy your rest. Grab a drink. Okay. 2 more times. Just like that. Challenge yourself. If you weren't jumping, try it. If you're on your knees and you're feeling strong, go to your toes on the push-ups. We start in 5. Here we go. Anybody want to do a one-handed burpee? Feel free. If you get bored, I've got options. You can jump your feet out to the side. Why not? We're here for 35 more seconds. Good job, you guys. Remember your option to step it and to step it back. 20 seconds. Just think about your surroundings so we're not landing on our pot. 7 seconds. Let's get 2 more. Good job. Push-ups. Are you guys sweating? If you're not, jump higher, get lower, go to your toes. Here we go, push-up time. See if you can count your reps and beat that number on our 3rd and final round. Yes, we love this so much. Oh, halfway. Breathe out that negative energy. Mind over matter. Woo. 15 seconds. If you get to your failure point, you can just hold a plank. 3. One more time. We're gonna like this next round of exercises.
For your money back.
Yeah, exactly. How much did you guys dish out for this? Just a lot of sweat, right? Last round in 10. Suck it up, buttercup. Talking to myself. We have last round of burpees. Last burpees of the day, unless you want to do this again. Any style of burpee you want to do. Just make sure it's not too easy. Only 40 seconds. We're gonna be sad to see these burpees go, yeah? Remember, you can be here. Just pick up the pace. Because we only have 25 seconds. 15. Use those arms. They're there to help you. 5, last one. Woo, good job, you guys. Push-ups. Last push-ups of the day. In 10. Not for me, but for you. Here we go. Can you beat your number from last round? Are you dripping? The answer is yes, Michelle. Woo! Hang tight, you guys. We have 35 seconds. This feels so good. Keep doing these videos, guys. When we see each other next, we'll still be in good shape. We'll have no catching up to do. 10 seconds, couple more. Woo. Great job. Grab a drink. We have one more round just like that. Rows and toe taps. I think we're gonna like it. If you wanna grab something to put it in your pot, something heavy, because we're gonna be doing a single leg bent over row, grab something, set it in there. We're gonna stay on one side for 30 seconds, switch halfway through, and then we're gonna flip it over and do toe taps.
Fine.
Yeah, this is gonna be the best round yet. I promise. Okay, grab a quick drink. This is the last round, just like this. Then we have a fourth and final round. 4 exercises, 45 seconds, 2 times through. And then we're done. All right, toe taps, bent over rows. Let's start on the right in 3, 2. I'm gonna grab my pan or pot by the handles. You don't necessarily have to have it. Let's do right leg back first. Squeezing those shoulder blades in the back at the top of that row. The more parallel your back gets to the floor, the more work you're gonna be doing. If your balance is off, you can leave that back foot down. Just try and keep all your weight. Let's switch in that front foot. Actually, if you want to feel this a little bit more in your hamstrings, keep that back toe down. If you want to work on your balance, raise it up. I feel like we all need to work on our balance these days. Anybody feeling a little unbalanced in life? 5 seconds. Me. Time. Toe taps, flip it over, set it down. If you're not jumping, you can press those arms as you tap, just go as fast as you can. If you're with me, we're gonna jump those feet up and tap our pot. You can go in a circle, you can raise the roof, it's up to you. I think I'll do 30 seconds here and raise the roof for the second half. Maybe I should have put something in that pot. 10 seconds, I'm gonna raise the roof. If you're not jumping, be here. Let's raise the roof. Head. If you feel like your heart rate's too high, 30 seconds rest. 2 more times. This is the best round yet, right? Find a weight, find a water bottle. Hey, good idea, Michelle. Let's do left leg back first this time. In 5. Remember your option. If your balance is not on point today, just keep all that weight in that front leg. If you want to work on your balance, whoa, raise that foot. And squeeze your shoulder blades at the top. We're switching in 5. I really do feel this so much more in that back hamstring if I keep that foot down. But it's so hard because I also want to work on the balance. What to do? We could alternate. Yeah, that's good. 15 seconds. Whew, good job, you guys. 7, 5, last one. Toe taps. All right. One more toe tap, one more round. Moving on, starting in 5. Let's go. If you have a basketball at home, you could do this with medicine ball, your toddler, so many options. Just kidding. 40 seconds. If you guys want to travel, take it around. 30 seconds. Oh, that kind of made it go by faster. I'm going to do that again. If you want to add those arms. 15. Let's go, guys. Pick it up. 10. Go, go, go. We get 30 seconds of rest. Bring that belly button in. 3. Time. Grab drink. One more time. How we doing? Best round yet. We have abs coming up. Well, a little bit of arms, a little bit of abs. Grab your pot. Pick a leg. Bent over row, single leg. Here we go. Even if your pot isn't heavy, pretend like it is. Think about the muscles that you're using. Nice and controlled. The slower we go, the harder this is going to be. And let's switch. Thanks, lady. We're looking at the floor in front of us. 20 seconds. Remember, we have those 2 options. Good job, you guys. It's our last time through this. Enjoy it. Feels like a break right now, right? 5. Time, toe taps. I want to hear what you guys are using at home. Are you actually using a pot? Did you find a stair, a chair? Last toe taps, then we're going to take it down. Here we go. You see Jenny doing pull-ups in the corner of my eye. Beast mode. So coming up, we have dips on our pot. We're gonna have our feet on it and do some decline, elbow, elbow, hand, hand. Then we're gonna do some ab knee tucks. And our Russian twist with a press. Get excited. We have 20 seconds. We get to take it down. Raise the roof. Get back here. 10 seconds. 5. Go, go, go. 2, 1. Good job, you guys. I'm gonna change my timer for 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest. Grab a drink. Oops. And yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna have our hands on our pot, fingertips pointed towards our body, and we're just gonna do tricep dips. Okay, elbows staying close to the body. Then we're gonna have our feet on the pot and a plank. You can just hold plank there or drop it to your elbows and hold plank. But if you're with me, we're gonna do elbow, elbow, hand, hand. Add knee tucks. I'll just show them as we go because we get 15 seconds in between. Are we ready? This is it, 8 minutes and we're done. So starting with dips, 3, 2, 1, go. If you wanna make this harder, straighten those legs out. No thanks. Do you need me to scoot back?
Thanks. The high-tech rubber band broke, so it's very precarious right now.
Is that better?
Yeah, perfect.
30 seconds. Oh, I think we're gonna like our 45-second rounds. And guess what? We're only gonna do each thing twice. That's halfway. Try and keep your shoulders down so they're not up here in your ears. Try and keep your butt close to that pot. 10 seconds. 5, oh, I'm feeling this. 15 seconds rest. Feet on the pot. You can hold your decline plank, elbows or hands. If you're with me, drop it down, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, and switch your leading hand. Oh, so glad we're only doing this 2 times. If this is too difficult, hold plank, or you can take this to the floor and do the same thing. Good job, you guys, belly to spine. All the things. Oh, it's so hard to get up. Ugh. Can't see the timer. Woo, good job, you guys. Face your pot. We're gonna do knee tucks around it, side to side. The knee tucks in the center. Hands are by your hips. We're gonna lean back on the side, tuck in the center, and switch. Let's go back a little bit. Good job, you guys. So we're bringing it in, like a little ball in the center, and then extending on the sides. Oh, I'm feeling this. We're halfway. Woo-wee. I was so sore after last week's ab workout. I might have to do that again. 5. Time. Russian twist with a press. Grab your pot. Party time. We're gonna twist to the side. We're gonna press in the center. Switch. If you wanna add that little V up with the press, go for it. You can have your feet on the floor. You can have your feet in the air. I'm really feeling my hip flexors from that last one. So I'm gonna stay right here. Try and tap that floor behind your hip. 20 seconds. Woo. You guys, we have 4 minutes of work. One more time through each exercise. And we are finished. 5. Time. One more time through each. Dippy dips. Hallelujah. Set yourself up. You can do this on the floor also. Why am I starting early? Go.
Because you love them.
Remember, if you want to make these harder, straighten those legs out. And try not to let that butt get too far away from your pot. 30 seconds. Good job, you guys. Woo, halfway. My butt just wants to move. Keep those elbows in tight. Only 10 seconds. Who loves dips? The only person I know is Miss Beck. I love it. 5. Time. Elbow, elbow, hand, hand. Hey, let's try something. Let's be in a plank with our feet on the floor. And we're gonna do elbows on the floor, hands. No, maybe not. Maybe you can do it. Let's try it again. Options to not. Decline. But if you can, stick with that. Go for it. You do not have to do exactly as I do. Trying to keep those hips parallel. Super hard. We have about 20 seconds. Oh, feeling this. Good job, you guys. Just hold plank when you get to that failure point. Knee tucks, Russian twists. And we're done. 2 minutes. Hang in there, y'all. Ball in the center. Extend on the outs. Here we go. Hands are by your hips. If you don't need them there, you don't have to have them there. Hello, hip flexors. So when I'm feeling it somewhere where I necessarily shouldn't be, I really try and focus on the muscles that I'm trying to work. Mind to muscle. 17 seconds. 15. Come on, Michelle, don't give up. 10 seconds. Come on, guys. 5. Time. Russian twist with a press. If you want to put something in that pot, a little extra weight. This is it. 45 seconds. Here we go. Remember, if you want to add that V up on the press. Oh, thanks. You guys, we have 25 seconds of work and we're done. Here's a shout out to our girls Annie and Laura. You guys, we seriously want feedback. Yes. What do you want more of, less of? Is anybody out there? Yeah. Is anybody actually watching these? And time. Good job, everybody. I hope you're all staying sane. I hope we get to see you soon. We love you. Take care.